Well, are we all going to have any luck with the weather over the next few days?
Let's find out from Elizabeth. Hi there,
Hi there.
Elizabeth.
Hi there, you two. Thanks very much. Well, actually, we're in a pretty unsettled week coming up. There's going to be further spells of wind and rain on the way. But today hasn't been too bad, really. Many parts of the UK seeing something drier and brighter. But we do have a weather watch in force, heavy rain, and that is coming in later on tonight. So the next few hours will remain dry, but it's really probably after midnight that things start to take a bit of a turn for the worse as some heavy rain spreads its way up the western side of Britain towards Northern Ireland and also moving up across southern parts as well, particularly Wales and southwest England. Now, it's going to remain very mild overnight. Temperatures in the south staying into double figures, a little bit chillier perhaps towards the northeast where it stays dry and maybe a few clear spells around as well. But we start off with that rain then in the morning across Northern Ireland. It's going to be heavy, persistent rain, so a really nasty journey to work here. And we'll also see some of that rain just spreading its way up the western side of Scotland too. But further east, it'll be a dry start to the day here. Temperatures around about 5 to 7 degrees. The band of rain in the south will have worked its way into northern England by then, so you'll be greeted by some quite wet and windy weather, I think, first thing. Now, further south, we will see some of that rain through the morning, but it will be moving its way gradually northwards. Some showers, though, following on behind, so many places likely to see some wet weather through the morning. And there'll certainly be a lot of water on the roads as well, so do watch out for that. And there's still some outbreaks of rain across Wales as we go through the morning rush hour as well, once again accompanied by some quite strong winds in places. Now, as we go through the day, we'll continue to see that rain pushing its way northwards. So this band of rain lying across Britain will move its way up through northern England into southern parts of Scotland as well. But you'll notice the rain really hangs around across Northern Ireland, not really clearing here until much later in the day. So a pretty miserable day in store. But for a good part of England and Wales, things will cheer up into the afternoon and we'll see the skies bright and some sunshine coming out, just 1 or 2 showers. Some fairly brisk southwesterly winds, but these winds actually keeping things fairly mild at the moment. Temperatures still reaching 13 or 14 degrees across the south there. Now, through the rest of Monday, we'll continue to see that rain moving up across Scotland, so some further wet weather for you here, but for Northern Ireland at long last, things should actually improve through the evening. On into Tuesday, well, that rain will have cleared away from northeastern Scotland by then, so a better day for many of us, some brightness, some sunshine, but there will be some showers, particularly across more western parts of the UK, and some of these could be on the heavy side. And I mentioned we are in for some further spells of wet and windy weather, and yes, it looks like Wednesday on into Thursday, we will see that as this weather front just drapes its way across the country. Bit of uncertainty maybe about exactly where the heaviest of the rain and the strongest winds will be, but we will of course keep you posted.